Identify the diagram and mark the labeled structures. By looking at the diagram, you can identify it as a monocot सीड. अब इस मोनोकॉट सी में ए एंड बी का लेबल आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ए इज स्क्यूटेलम. Scutellum is just like cotyledon in monocots, and B is plumule. It is a region from where shoot or stem arises in the monocots. So after analyzing all the options, you come to know that A is scutellum and B is plumule. So option number 1 is correct. So answer to this question is option number 1. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 112. Question number 112 says, Angiospermic family including colchicine producing plant. So you have to identify the correct option for the Angiospermic family in which a plant is included which produces colchicine. So colchicine producing plant is Colchicum autumnale. Colchicum autumnale is a plant which produces colchicine and it belongs to the family Liliaceae. Now you have to identify the feature which is true for Liliaceae family. Members of family Liliaceae bear non-endospermous seeds. No, they bear endospermous seeds. It has tricarpellary syncarpous gynoecium with axial placentation. This is true. Angiospermic family Liliaceae lacks cymose inflorescence. No, it shows cymose inflorescence and it lacks racemose inflorescence. Angiospermic family Liliaceae is characterized by presence of zygomorphic flowers. No, it is characterized by presence of actinomorphic flowers. So this option is also ruled out. So out of these four, Angiospermic family Liliaceae, including colchicine producing plant Colchicum autumnale, has tricarpellary syncarpous gynoecium with axial placentation. So answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 113. Edible part in pomegranate, fig and cashew nut are respectively. This is a memory based question. Edible part in pomegranate is succulent testa. In fig it is fleshy receptacle, and in cashew nut it is cotyledons. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Okay, moving on to the next question, that is question number 114. Question number 114 says, meristematic cells are characterized by all except. Meristematic cells are those cells which shows division. Okay, these are characterized by high nucleocytoplasmic ratio. True. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio क्या होता है? Nucleocytoplasmic ratio is the ratio of the size of the nucleus to that of the size of the cytoplasm of that cell. The cell is meristematic, or when the cell is showing division, in that case its nucleocytoplasmic ratio is high. So this is correct. Meristematic cell shows high surface area to volume ratio. So this option is incorrect, that meristematic cell is characterized by low surface area to volume ratio. It should be high. Okay. Meristematic cells are characterized by absence of plastids. This is correct. Plastids are absent in meristematic cells, and meristematic cells show presence of thin cellulosic cell wall. This is true. So out of these four, all the statements are true for meristematic cells except statement number 2, that is, it shows low surface area to volume ratio, which is not correct for meristematic cells. Meristematic cells show high surface area to volume ratio. So answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 115. Question number 115 says, match the following columns. In this question, on the left hand side you are given with fruits and on the right hand side you are given with certain examples of those respective fruits. Okay, so you have to find out the correct match. Sepsella. What is Sepsella? Sepsella develops from bicarpellary unilocular inferior ovary, and this type of fruit is found in Taraxacum. So A matches with 4th. Silicula. Silicula is a short-lived flat silicua, and silicua develops from bicarpellary unilocular ovary with parietal placentation. So silicula is the short, broad, flat silicua with few seeds, and it is exemplified by Iberis. Amphisarca. Amphisarca is multicarpellary syncarpous, multilocular superior ovary, and it is found in elephant apple. And talking about berry, berry is one to many seeded fruit which is found in grapes. Okay, so after analyzing all the options, we come to know that answer to this question is option number 3. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 116.